In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove footer in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, how to find the footer in your email layout, and how to delete that block cleanly so your design looks the way you want. First, open Mailchimp and sign in so you're looking at your main dashboard. From here, head straight to the campaigns area. This is where all of your email campaigns live, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. You want to work inside the campaign whose footer you want to remove, so find it in your list and open it. If you're managing several campaigns with similar names, a quick scan of the status and last edited time can help you pick the right one. Once you're in the campaign, choose the option to edit the design. This opens the email editor, where the layout is shown on a canvas in the center, with your content blocks stacked in the order they appear to subscribers. On the right or left, depending on your view, you'll see the settings and style options that change based on what you select. Now focus on the canvas. The key is to review the structure from top to bottom so you know exactly what's on the page. Mailchimp templates are built from blocks, things like images, text, buttons, dividers, and, in most templates, a footer. As you hover your mouse over each block, you'll see borders and labels that make it clear what you're selecting. This makes it easy to avoid accidentally removing something else. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the canvas to find the footer block. It's usually labeled footer and often contains items like your company's mailing address, your contact details, and unsubscribe or manage preferences links. Before you remove it, a quick note for compliance and deliverability. Regulations and most email service providers require that marketing emails include an unsubscribe link and a physical mailing address. Many templates rely on the footer to hold that information. If you've already placed your own version elsewhere in the email, or your design uses a custom section that meets those requirements, you're good to proceed. If not, consider updating your content so those essentials are still present after removal. Click the footer block to select it. When it's selected, you'll see editing controls for that specific block. Look for the option to remove the block. This may appear as a Remove or Delete button, or a trash can icon. Click it. If Mailchimp asks you to confirm that you want to delete the block, confirm. The footer disappears from the canvas immediately, which is your visual confirmation that it's been removed from this design. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to your campaign, opened the design editor, located the footer on the canvas, and removed that block. Mailchimp typically auto-saves as you work, so you should see a saved indicator appear shortly after the change. If you remain in the editor, you can continue refining the rest of your layout as needed. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. If you don't see a footer block at the bottom, it might be part of a larger section like a text block or a multi-column layout. In that case, click into the content at the bottom and check whether the address and unsubscribe elements are inside that block. If they are, the same remove action will apply. If the remove option appears disabled, your template or plan may require specific footer elements. In those cases, you can still simplify the content inside the footer by editing the text and styling to match your brand, or replace it with a slimmer custom section elsewhere that includes the required details. And that's how to remove the footer in Mailchimp quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough while you make your changes.